Just Danielle is home.
Yes, Danielle's home with her friend.
What are you doing here? Hey, there's a puppy loose.
Hey, no, little monkey. No, you can't get out there. No, no. The Choco's trying to get out. It's trying to get out. It's trying to go through the gate. You can't go through the gate. No, no, no.